I needed to get an intern. My husband needed to do some things. My oldest daughter needed to do some things. Come on. And there were some things they've been asking me. I can do that. Oh, no, I got it. Because, what? They're not going to do it the way I want to do it. That's a problem. Let me tell y'all something. For all my super women in here, let me tell you what I did with my cape. I took my cape off, wrapped it around me like a blanket, and I went to sleep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now, the other third of that 80% was chronologically out of order. I had things on my to-do list in December of 2014 that honestly should not be on my to-do list to May 2015. They were chronologically out of order. But that to-do list is just a dumping ground. Put it on. We don't even think, okay, is this a first quarter goal or a fourth quarter goal? Is this a 2012 goal or is this a 2015 goal? Because God's going to drop it in you. You need to ask, okay, Lord, where does this fit? Because you'll automatically go, this is today. And God is like, I'm not even going to anoint you until 3 years from now for that. Chronologically out of order. Now, here's the thing, and I get this question, and when we open up for our exponential conversation, I'm going to go ahead and answer this question because it always comes. Well, Sheri, what about the other 3 things that are so important? I need to get those things done too. Now, listen to my timeline. Second week of December 2014, I said I wanted to get a publishing deal. When did I get the publishing deal? Now, when did I get the publishing deal?
February.
Who said February? February. 8 weeks. So now the publishing deal is done in 8 weeks. Now what do, Dr. Bennett? You put the next thing on the list. Do you see how you increase your productivity? Do you see how you increase your productivity? Yeah. Now you take the next thing, and it becomes one of your top 3. Joyce just took my Living Your Power course. We dive deep into this, don't we? We go through and really work on how do you determine those 3 most important things. And then how do you determine the 3 to 4 steps that then help you accomplish that 3 most important things. Everybody got that? The third key to living in your power is your plan. The third key, what is your plan? We talked about what is the 1 or 2 most important next steps, right? What is your plan? But how do you determine what those 1 to 2 at the most 3 next steps are? How do you determine that? Well, here's the biggest challenge we have, especially for those of us in this room, because we came here because we go-getters, right? The biggest challenge we have is how do you determine when an opportunity is actually a distraction? How do you determine when an opportunity is actually a distraction?